Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen. Start by boiling 2 cups of water in a small pot on your stovetop. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, carefully add your ramen noodles. Let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are perfectly tender. This initial step is crucial for achieving the right noodle texture, ensuring they are neither too hard nor too soft for your delicious meal. Now it's time to add the magic. Carefully open the seasoning packet that comes with your ramen and stir it into the hot water and noodles. Make sure to mix it thoroughly so every strand gets coated with that delicious flavor. For an extra layer of taste, you might consider adding a dash of soy sauce or a few drops of sesame oil. To truly elevate your ramen, consider adding some simple toppings. A perfectly soft-boiled egg adds a creamy richness that complements the broth beautifully. Sliced green onions provide a fresh, crisp texture and a mild onion flavor. You can also include cooked protein, such as thinly sliced chicken, pork, or even some pan-fried tofu for a more substantial meal. Once your ramen is perfectly cooked and seasoned, carefully pour it into your favorite serving bowl. Add any final garnishes, like a sprinkle of chili flakes or a few extra green onions, for a beautiful presentation. Your delicious, warm, and comforting ramen is now ready to be enjoyed. Take a moment to savor every spoonful of your quick and easy meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.